Salamat po, Madam Chair. Sisigundahan ko lang po yung naging line of thinking po ni Representative Pichay and ni Representative Reyes. Although I came in late, Madam Chair, after going through quickly the material provided to us, I think what is missing now, I think this will factor into what the chairperson said about taking these things under consideration. Ang hindi po kasi malinaw sa committee ngayon, yung pong way forward. Now that we know this, what do we do now? Like for example, I heard kanina that the properties are under the supervision of DOF jointly with DFA.
Interagency.
Interagency po, okay. Okay, at best, that is an ad hoc arrangement, Madam Chair. And we do not see, although with all due respect to the agencies involved in the interagency effort, ginagawa naman po nila. But what we want to see here is predictability, consistency, and sustainability. With that, having said that, Madam Chair, I think that the next step now for the committee is really to determine the proper vehicle kung paano po, not only to manage po, no, but to derive maximum benefit from these properties, and then they should accrue to the benefit of the veterans. I think yun po ang kailangan nating ma-establish kasi as of yet, hindi ko talaga malinaw paano ho ba ang kita ng mga to nagpapaganda sa buhay ng ating mga veterano. So I think that is what is missing here. So I think, Madam Chair, as a concrete step forward, that is what the committee should look into. Whether the proper way to pursue that is a motu proprio hearing or through resolution, or maybe, again, and I would even volunteer to chair a TWG to determine that proper vehicle, then so be it, Madam Chair. But I think that is what should be made clear here. Okay, pinapamalaan mo ng interagency effort, paano mo natin i-channel po yung funds to the benefit of the veterans? In the end, that is the question that we must answer. Yun po. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Your suggestion is well taken.
Madam Chair.
Okay, Honorable Pichay is recognized.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Chair. I'm just wondering how we could do that because the rental for the next 50 years has already been paid. So we don't get anything. I don't know, but the one that is being paid to the National Treasury is already commingled. I think maybe 5 years ago they were already used in the budget. So wala na natira. I don't know this one in the phone case because it's not stated here that there is a front loading 50 years ahead. Ano, get descendants itong sa Repong property payment in advance 50 years? Because wala na tayong dito pag-usapan ng process if we're going to file it. So we'll just have to ask a certain percent and then i-appropriate yan every year. So that would happen, and gano'n ang mangyayari yan because there was a front loading, the rental for 50 years has already been paid ahead. Na kung papayag natin ito, and we cannot do that, so maghintay tayo ng 50 years, wala kang veterano matira para makakuha ng share. So that's what I'm just saying, Madam Chair, that we have to see to it na para humingi na rin tayo ng additional budget for the share supposed to be our annual share on the rental that was front-loaded 50 years. Yun ang lalabas. Thank you, Madam Chair.